Inside every computer, there is a world you never see. A world of constant motion. A world where billions of tiny decisions happen every second. At the center of that world sits the CPU. And inside the CPU are the workers that make everything possible. These workers are called CPU cores. Today, we're going to step inside that world and understand what these cores really do. A CPU core is a single processing unit. Think of it as one worker sitting at a desk, taking instructions and completing tasks as fast as it can. Early computers had only one worker, one person doing everything, opening programs, running calculations, handling the entire operating system. It worked, but it wasn't fast, and it definitely wasn't efficient. So engineers asked a simple question: what if we add more workers? Modern CPUs don't rely on just one worker. They come with 2, 4, 8, 16, or even more cores. Each core is an independent worker. It can take its own task. It can run its own instructions. It can operate in parallel with the others. This means your computer can handle more things at once. More apps, more background processes, more complex workloads. But here's the important part. More cores do not automatically mean more speed. It depends on the job. Imagine you're building a chair. If the job is simple, like tightening a single screw, adding more workers doesn't help. Only one person can do that job at a time. But if the job can be split into parts, cutting wood, sanding, painting, assembling, then multiple workers can build chairs faster. This is exactly how software works. Some tasks can be split into smaller pieces. Some cannot. A thread is like a to-do list for a worker. A single-threaded task has one list. Only one worker can handle it. A multi-threaded task can be broken into multiple lists. Many workers can help at the same time. Video editing, 3D rendering, AI workloads. These love having more cores. But older software, simple apps, and many games still rely heavily on a single strong core. This is why core speed still matters. Clock speed is how fast a core thinks. A 5 GHz core can make 5 billion decisions per second. So performance is a balance between how many cores you have, how fast each core is, and how well the task can be split. This balance is the heart of modern computing. Inside the CPU is a hidden manager called the scheduler. It decides which core gets which task. It decides when tasks start, when they pause, and how to keep everything running smoothly. Without the scheduler, your computer would freeze instantly. Is the invisible boss. That keeps the entire system organized. Modern life is multitasking. You might be streaming music, editing a document, running dozens of browser tabs, syncing files, and updating apps in the background. Each of these is a job. Each job needs a worker. More cores mean a calmer, smoother, faster experience. And as software evolves, more of it is learning how to use more cores. Your CPU is a city that never sleeps. Its cores are the workers that keep everything running. Every click, every frame, every calculation, every creation. So the next time someone asks, what is a CPU core? You'll know the answer. It's not just a piece of hardware. It's a worker, a thinker, a tiny engine powering your digital world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next chapter of this digital adventure.